Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to yet another video, another day, another adventure. So as I promised you guys on my last video, I am going to climb the hill that I was showing you on that video, and in a minute I'll be showing you as we go. I will show you the hill, yes, but we have already started our journey. So yeah, let's hit the road and see where this new day takes us. Okay, so let me show you the hill. So guys, that's the hill right there that we'll be hiking on. We are going at the top. Currently we are here, so at the front you can see my friends that I'm hiking with. So yeah, let's start our journey. Let's go. If we are lucky, guys, we will be able to spot some wildlife, maybe giraffes, antelopes. Yes, if we'll spot some of the wildlife, guys, I'll show you. We also have hyenas here, and I don't think I would want to spot a hyena, guys. That one, I don't want to spot a hyena on foot. So let me show you as we start our hilly adventures. Okay, we also have some cows grazing in the land. Yeah. We are now officially leaving the main road, and that's the trail that we are following. Yes, so let's start our adventures. Guys, we are trespassing. Kimekuwa trespass, tutashikwa sasa. So this is someone's private land, and we are trespassing, guys. Mbwa kali. Mwali taona mbwa kali.
Wakikushika ndio wanakuja na hiyo post. Na wanakuja. Huko toa hapa. Oh, really good.
Guys, on my last video, that's the hill that we were climbing on. The Divine Mercy Shrine, Kalimani. Yes. We spotted some antelopes right there. Yeah. Guys, we are hitting the bushes. There's no way here. What? Awade. Akitwa silambitini niwa sinunga. Yes, we have to take a short break because this is not for the week. Oh my lord, hey, hadi amuongei. Watu wamenyamaza kunyamaza. No mandazis today. Umwenda kuete mabuko. Using Google Maps in the wild, huh? We are currently lost in Chamodeka Hill.
My friend, Manel, Kiwabasanga.
Here. Yeah. Here. Guys, finally tumepata njia.
Ilikuwa noma sana.
After kupotea.
Hii ni hike yangu. Ilikuwa mbaya sana. Mbaya sana.
Ilikuwa mbaya?
Noma sana. Kalimani.
Hey guys, niko bad. Niko noma. Guys, tumetoka pale all the way tukateremkia hiyo njia. Tukianza kuingia kwa forest tumeanza pale kwa kanjia mnaona hapo. Hey. Sai we are almost 8 kilometers in. 10,000 steps na bado hatujafika. Guys, tumefika. Huku juu tu ni boosters za internet. Hii.
Kuna mtu anaishi huko. Diana sasa hizo ni mama mmoja.
Guys, we are trying to see if we will see the other side of the hill. Hey guys, mtu anapotea. Yeah. We? Aki mkoshu huku ni wapi tunapitia shuali?
Rudini tu.
Lakini lazima nione the other side of the hill. So tushafika, we are already at the top of the hill. The summit of the hill. We are trying to go see the other side of the hill. At least this side nyasi si refu.
Kuna proof of existence. Ni pia kupanda basi. Hapa ni place ya kuishi. Anakonda. Kuna njia kweli?
Hey! View. Wow!
Uko na drone bana.
Hey!
Mwendo utatoboa.
We?
Ni nini? Shimo.
right now we are heading downhill. We have already reached the summit of the hill, enjoyed the beautiful views, and now I want to end my video here. I hope you enjoyed the video, the views of the hills. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like, share, comment, and see you on my next video. Okay, yeah, bye. So finally, guys, we are done with our hike. We are heading back home. It's 6 p.m. and we had to hurry up because of the hyenas and the wildlife there. Yeah, because it's getting late. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe, share, like, comment. Yeah, and see you on my next video. Bye.